Hi there, today we're going to be taking a look at the DM3 digital mixing desk from Yamaha. The DM3 is a really nice compact digital mixing desk from Yamaha with 8+1 motorised faders on the front here. It's also got a 9-inch integrated, nice bright touchscreen to enable you to control loads of functions directly from up here on the top of the mixer. So although this desk has 8 main faders, it is a 16-channel mixing desk. And those 16 channels are configurable in a whole array of different ways. But essentially, you've got 16 inputs plus 2 FX returns and a stereo input as well, all available to you in this really compact format. Moving away from inputs to buses, there's 1 stereo, 6 mixes, 2 FX and 2 matrixes. And those matrixes support input to matrix as well. Moving around to the back of the mixer here, we've got our 16 inputs on the back panel, of which 4 have TRS jack central to the XLR socket as well on the final 4 channels. And then in terms of outputs, we've got our 8 XLRs here, of which number 7 and 8 default to our left and right main output. In addition, just below the XLRs, we've got our Dante primary and secondary sockets. We've got network, we've got USB, and we've got the power inlet for the power supply and a switch, and the power supply sits external to this mixer. While we're on the subject of Dante, the DM3 can support 16 input and 16 output channels. Access through the touchscreen, you can matrix those inputs and outputs as a combination from both Dante and from the physical input-outputs on the back of the desk to configure them exactly how you want across the 2 pages of 8 faders. Moving on from Dante to USB, the USB socket on the rear of the desk enables the sound desk to act as a sound card into your laptop or PC. And that facilitates 18 inputs and 18 outputs. So from those numbers, you'll understand the DM3 has a huge amount packed into its small chassis. In addition to what I've mentioned, there's 18 effects and GEQ on mix 1 to 6 and the stereo channels as well. The sampling rate on the DM3 is switchable from 48 kHz to 96 kHz. So for such a small digital desk, this really packs a punch in terms of the quality of output and the feature set that's available. The DM3 weighs in at just 6.5 kilos, and obviously it has this really small footprint as well. So if you've got tight mix positions where you need to get a digital desk in that's going to give you loads of functionality, this is going to be an ideal tool for those applications. So to summarise, the Yamaha DM3 is a fantastic digital compact mixing desk. It's got Dante on board, it's really nice and easy to set up with great audio quality. And we've got a number of these available now to hire from Yes.